Okay, hi, this is a video reply to, his name is kingcrocoduck, I think. This is a video reply to his video. His video was about the correct philosophy of science. In his video, he described how should science work, and how shouldn't science work, and etc. etc. I mean, he simply explained how should science work, and he kind of like implied that intelligent design is inconsistent with the proper functioning of science. However, I disagree, and I even wrote in the comment section, but King Crocoduck said that he wouldn't answer to my comments, that I should post a video reply, so here I am posting this video reply. So anyway, my position is that intelligent design is consistent with science. And I gave one example. I gave the argument from design as an example. The argument from design states, premise 1, life cannot come into existence naturally without pre-existing life. Premise 2, life came into existence someday, somehow. Therefore, life had a supernatural origin. So please explain what's wrong with this argument. Why is this argument inconsistent with science? There's nothing wrong with the form of the argument because given the first two premises, the conclusion is the only possible conclusion. The argument is falsifiable. All you have to do is falsify at least one of the premises. The argument is objective. It's not based on my personal opinion. It is not based on intuition. So the argument is objective. The argument is universal. It can be applied if we ever find an alien in another planet. So please explain. I mean, even the premises, the premises are falsifiable, and the premises have been verified by scientific laws. For example, premise number 1 has been verified by the law of biogenesis, which has also been verified by statistical mechanics, and has been verified by direct observation, and has been verified by our daily life experience. And premise number 2 is obviously true. I'm sure you have no problem in accepting premise number 2. So, please explain what is wrong with this argument. Why is this argument inconsistent with the correct scientific way? I mean, why is this argument inconsistent with the scientific method? What's wrong with this argument? So please post a video explaining what's wrong with this argument, why is this argument inconsistent with science, and please substitute this argument for a better argument that, according to you, is more consistent with science. So, have a nice day.